How to delete TikTok account. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now you can just go ahead and open up the TikTok application on your device. And once inside, you want to head over to your profile icon. You can do that by clicking on the profile section right here below your screens. And once inside, you want to proceed to the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Once inside, click on Settings and Privacy. From here, you can just go ahead and click on Account. And inside, we have the option to deactivate or delete account. You want to go ahead and click on it. And from here, we have to choose between deactivate account or delete account permanently. So if you want to delete your TikTok account, you can just go ahead and choose the second option right here, which is delete account permanently. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.